So, very, very good afternoon, and today is the 2nd of June 2020. So, this is the 6th month of this beautiful year, where we have been playing noughts and crosses, and these noughts and crosses are 2020, So, and those noughts and crosses have been in very many spheres, and all of us are getting back to our own self. And today I'd specially asked to have this question answer session because I was thinking that this is going to be even more contributing, going from the contribution from my side can be endless, but when it comes with a question, I think there is more clarity and there is something which is coming from the other side of the screen also. It's not just a one way. It's not a monologue happening. So, firstly, thank you for the questions that each one wrote. So we will take it one by one. And even if we are unable to take any today, I have made a note of those questions in my notepad and we will take it up tomorrow, day after, whatever, in continuity, so that we are done with these to go to take up some more. Yeah. And even in between, if you have something coming up, which is showing up as a question in your universe, connected to any of the topics that we have taken up in the last whatever X number of days, you can again get back, put it here. And if you do not want to put it on group, which ultimately I will, because the others do not get to associate with that otherwise, you can send me a personal message if you desire so. But I will definitely put it up here on the group with your name for sure. Just letting you know. So coming to the first, Ira had written, and the question was, even when you know the answers to your questions, why is it that when the situation arises, every answer is thrown out of the window at that moment of time? Yeah. And then Hetal had seconded it, and she said, especially when we are triggered, we forget how to express in that moment of time, how to express hurt. Please put some light on this. Yeah. So taking up the first part, but even when you know the answers to any of the questions, why is it that when the situation arises, every answer is thrown out of the window in that moment? So all of us are aware, and all of us have two beings inside, which is one is of a low vibration and the other is of the highest vibration. The highest vibration is light. As Ruchi had somewhere asked, I do not know what that light is. Yeah, somewhere. I'm not going to her question, but I'm just putting some part here. That whenever we talk about light, that is something which is vibrating at the highest level. Yeah. Now I can define it as God. I can define it as my higher self. I can define it as universe. I can define it as a power greater than me. Yeah. Whatever you understand best, and with whatever word you associate that to light. Yeah. Now what happens is that since our practice of being in the lower vibration is so much, that whenever there is a trigger, we lose the highest self. What is the highest self? The highest self is when you know how to behave, where to behave, and in what intensity. That is the highest self. When you are all aligned, when you are all congruent, when you are calm, when you are contained. Yeah. And what happens is that whenever there is a situation which you are not liking, there could be a fight, there could be anger at home, there could be somebody so repulsive, whatever, that it could be anything. Yeah. Now, what happens is that the first thing which we forget is the highest self. So, why do we forget the highest self? Because the highest, we have hardly been there. Yeah. To be in the highest self, I cannot go back and remember a million instances where the person behaved the same way, reacted the same way. I cannot go back. Why? Because when I am in the highest self, I am not vibrating there. I'm not in the story at all. Where am I? I'm in the moment. Where am I? I am in my body. I'm not out of my body. Where am I? I am so resolved that everything which is not solved in my world is just out of me. Yeah. But the thing is कि जो जो चीज हमने सबसे ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करी रहती है ना, वो चीज आपके टफेस्ट टाइम में सबसे ज्यादा आगे आके खड़ी हो जाएगी. या और मुझे लगता है कि आपका चेंज कैसे होता है. चेंज ऐसे होता है कि कुछ साल पहले ऐसे ही वाकया आते थे, आपसे किसी ने बोला कोई चीज बताओ एंड दे ट्रिगर्ड यू, है ना. आप देखेंगे आपका पार्टनर, स्पाउस, बच्चे सब उनके बताओ, बस अभी बताओ, क्यों कहते हैं. तो हम क्या करते हैं उसी टाइम गेटिंग बैक, we being so efficient, ठक we have an answer to everything that is there. Yeah. मगर क्या है कि ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जब आप हाईएस्ट सेल्फ के साथ प्रैक्टिस करते रहते हैं, उसके साथ ज्यादा 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 होने की, तो आप फिर एक तरीका ढूंढते हैं. तरीका कैसे? लोग फिर भी अभी भी ऐसे कहेंगे अभी जवाब दो, अभी ट्रिगर है, अभी ये यू कहते हैं. नाउ व्हाट यू विल से इज, yeah, I'm hearing you out, but I need time. You get that? Now the thing is, I'm not resolved inside. I am not liking what the person is doing. I do not like the pressure which they are giving me in this moment. But what happens is कि मैं ना हाईएस्ट और लोएस्ट के बीच में हूं. हाईएस्ट सेल्फ और लोएस्ट सेल्फ के बीच में हूं. तो क्या कहूंगी कि हाँ, आई एम हियरिंग यू, बट आई विल गेट बैक टू यू इन अ व्हाइल. यू गेट दैट? अब वो जो व्हाइल है ना, उसमें ये है कि you will take time to respond to whatever the person is asking for. तो वो क्या होगा, वो रिएक्शन नहीं होगा, है ना. वो रिएक्शन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि जब उसको चंद घंटों बाद उसके बारे में बात करेंगे तो आपका भी एनर्जी वो नहीं रहेगा और उसका भी एनर्जी वो नहीं रहेगा, और हो सकता है कि बीच में से कोई भूल भी जाए. या द वन हु वाज आस्किंग फॉर. मगर हमारा क्या रहता है कि हम ट्रैप में फंसते ही तब है क्योंकि ट्रैप ना हमारे अंदर है. ट्रैप दूसरे में नहीं है, ट्रैप उसकी बातों में नहीं है, ट्रैप हमारे अंदर है. और ट्रैप क्या है? ट्रैप क्या है?
अपनी सेल्फ ईगो, अपने आप को दिखाना कुछ कि हाँ
ओके
मतलब रिएक्शन दे देनी रिस्पॉन्स करने की बजाय।
ओके, व्हाट एल्स? या
It's
प्रिया?
emotions, because when I'm triggered, some emotion is triggered in me and I want to
Okay.
express it out in any which way. Maybe a good way or not
Okay.
so good way.
Okay. Somebody else? Yeah, Hiraji?
Or trap is like that all the past comes kind of.
The hurt is here, the trap. Hurt is such a big trap, क्योंकि उसने पता नहीं कितनी बार, कितने तरीके से, कितने लेवल तक आपको घेरा होगा जिंदगी में, है ना? अब फिर मिलियनथ टाइम फिर शुरू हो गए, है ना? तो वो पिछली वाली बैगेज जो है ना, अभी भी वहीं कहीं कायम है, और हो सकता है कम भी हो गई हो, मगर है। या तो जब जब वो बैगेज के साथ हम बात करेंगे ना, तो वो कभी भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं रह सकता, वो रिएक्शन ही होगा, है ना? क्योंकि जब भी आप जब हम जूस निकालते हैं किसी चीज का, तो कैसे निकालते हैं? हम ना जूसर में सब कुछ काट के उसके बीच में डालते हैं, फिर उसको पुश करते हैं, है ना? और फिर उसको इतना पुश करते हैं कि उसको जूस एक साइड हो जाता है और उसकी जो भी है रेजिड्यू एक साइड हो जाता है, ऐसे करते हैं ना? तो हमारे लिए जो लोग हैं या सर्कमस्टेंसेस है, वो क्या क्रिएट कर रहे होते हैं? वही जूस हमारा बन रहा है ना? अब वो पुश करते हैं, पुश करते हैं, पुश करते हैं, तो आप क्या करते हैं? आप पुश लेते रहते हैं, है ना? आप पुश लेते रहते हैं ना। इतने साल कैसे पुश लेते? चुप रहेंगे पहले, है ना? कुछ ऐसे भी साल निकले कि हम चुप रहते थे। क्यों? सोचा पीस हो जाएगा, ठीक है। फिर 2-4 साल में सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन हुई, बोले ये पीस नहीं, ये तो अंदर से पीसेस हो रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो फिर क्या हुआ? थोड़ा थोड़ा उगलना शुरू किए, और फिर बड़े बड़े सड़ से शब्द आते हैं अंदर से, ठीक है, ठीक है। माँ बहन छोड़ देते हैं, मगर फिर भी बहुत कुछ आ जाता है, उसके इक्विवेलेंट काफी कुछ आ जाता है इधर उधर, या तो फिर वो क्या होता है कि रिएक्शन होता है। रिएक्शन क्या होता है कि तुमने इतना दबाया, तुम क्या सोचते हो मैं नहीं तुमको दबा सकती, ये रिएक्शन हो गया ना। वी आर कमिंग टू अ प्लेस ऑफ इक्विवेलेंस, ओके। एंड व्हाट हैपेंस इज देन आफ्टर अ व्हाइल, अब 5-7 साल अब रिएक्ट करते भी हो गए, फिर लगा यार अपना बीपी हाई हो जाता है ना, एक दिन लड़ जाते हैं, हाँ, और फिर पिछले अगले 10 दिन ना अपने से लड़े रहते हैं, ऐसे ही होता है, ठीक है। फिर वहां तक आए, फिर सोचा अब ना रिएक्ट करना बंद कर देना है। तो वो बंदा बोलेगा, तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप उसको कुछ सुनेंगे, कुछ अनसुनी करेंगे, हाँ, कुछ एस्केप पे आ गए। अब इसको एस्केप कैसे करेंगे? या फिर देन देयर इज अनदर स्टेज दैट even that person that you had been trying to escape is not escapable anymore. या अब समझ नहीं आती है एस्केप कैसे करें, इसको कैसे अपने चंगुल कैसे छुड़ाएं इससे, ठीक है। क्योंकि उसको इतने सालों में आपको घेरना आ चुका है, हाँ, उसको ना एग्जैक्टली पता होता है कि अभी ये राइट टू लेफ्ट चलेंगे तो ये गिर जाएगा, लेफ्ट टू राइट चलेंगे गिर जाएगा, यू नो, ऐसे ऐसे करके उसको एग्जैक्टली पता है, यू नो, कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान की जब बात होती है ना, ऊपर से खड़े होके देख रहे होते हैं कौन सी चौकी पे कौन है, तभी तो करेंगे ना बाहर। तो यहाँ जिंदगी के हालातों में भी ऐसे ही चल रहा होता है कि जो क्लोजेस्ट होते हैं ना, उनको एग्जैक्टली पता होता है अगली सांस में ये क्या बोली, जैसे पता रहे, हमें भी तो पता रहता है लोगों का, या सो वो रहता है कि जब उसको इतना ज्यादा पता रहता है ना, तो अब क्या करें? अब तो पता है, इतने साल हो गए ना उसके साथ बीतते, अब क्या करें, ठीक है। सो अब एक और चीज सीखनी पड़ेगी वो क्या है कि you stop responding the way you respond. हाँ? तो हर बार ऐसे होता था कि कुछ किसी ने घेरा, अपन बोलना शुरू हो गए, है ना? बोलना शुरू हो गए, फिर आंसू शुरू हो गए, आंसू शुरू हो गए, थोड़ी सी आवाज थोड़ी और ऊंची हो गई, ऐसे ही होता है सबके साथ। आता है, अपने आप प्रैक्टिस करी हुई है यार इतने साल, है नहीं है? जोर से गर्दन तो हिलाओ, ऐसे जैसे कभी किए ही नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं है ना? ऐसे कितनी नई सी चीज बात कर रही है, ऐसे ऐसे सब कुछ,
मालविका, you are telling it so beautifully. मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है वापस जाने में
है
और
ना?
याद करने में।
है ना? क्योंकि ये हमारी हर रोज की प्रैक्टिस है ना, ये सब कुछ इतने
बड़ा
सालों
मजा आ
में
रहा है।
कितनी बारी किया ना।
मजा आता है अपनी हरकतें सुन के, कैसी
नहीं नहीं,
एब्सोल्युटली।
हरकतें इतनी खराब नहीं होती, क्योंकि सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट,
हाँ,
क्योंकि पता है क्या होता है, जैसे आप अभी कह रहे थे कि ईरा ने जैसे कहा कि यू नो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग बट एवरीथिंग गोज आउट ऑफ द विंडो, क्योंकि वो थोड़ी देर के बाद आते हैं यार, दे आर एक्सपर्ट इन दिस बट you are not an expert, so definitely you will be the one who will fail, so better not
you
to.
too. No, no, you too are an
No.
expert.
Yes, yes, yes.
But
You too are an
No, one
expert.
thing,
Should I tell you
sorry,
why?
Ardal,
Yeah, please, please.
can I just add a little bit?
Yeah, yeah,
Please, please.
In spite of the awareness that you have,
yeah.
out of 100 times, probably 95 times you are
Good.
not escaping, you're winning the game. But why is it, sometimes I talk to myself, I say, why is it that those 5 times also, why is it that the bell doesn't ring before? Why do I have to, why do it comes afterwards, that, oh my God, no, after the bell should ring before the whole the incident expanded to that level. So
But the thing
I
is,
yeah.
why should not happen 5 times? Because you are not
Sorry?
resolved. I said, why should it not happen those 5 times? 95 times you've been a winner. I'm just
Yeah.
repeating what you said. But five
Yeah,
times,
again it
five
is
times you
practice.
forget.
Yeah, lack of practice again, you
It is not lack of practice. It is always telling you this 5% is yes, yet missing. That is your connection with you.
that's right. Mhm.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that not? Because today you are at a juncture where you can see 95 times you could do it.
Mhm.
Yeah. So 95 times that I could do it, amazing. Yeah. But then there is something called attachment, which I have not been able to practice. Yeah. Now, what is that? What is that detachment? That detachment is detachment to what somebody is saying or doing. Yeah. So they are so attached to you that we keep finding oneness in that attachment only. Whereas oneness means something very different. Attachment is attachment to the physical, attachment to the person, attachment to his actions, reactions, behavior. Okay. And when we talk of oneness, there is not a speck of attachment. Yeah. We will be most unaffected by anything that the other person does. Yeah. And we have understood attachment and detachment in such a way that that in itself confuses us. Yeah. So whenever we talk about attachment, we think we have to be attached to the relationship. We have to be attached to the person. And how is it if I'm not attached, then I'm not in love with the person? Yeah. But what is the reality? The reality is the more I am detached with the physical aspect of the person, the more I am detached with the behavior of the person, the more I am detached with how he acts and reacts with the person. And actually, what am I attached to then? I'm attached to the oneness that you and me are the same. Yeah, we come out of the same supreme. Yeah, we get, our attachment is not at the soul level. Our attachment is at the physical body level. Yeah, so आपको physical और body level से क्या मतलब है? आपको सिवाय पेन के क्या मिल सकता है उसमें, है ना?
Can I say
Okay.
something?
Yeah,
मतलब मुझे थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन लग रही है या
बोलो.
इज दैट मीन कि हम लोग फिजिकली रिस्पॉन्ड या रिएक्ट करते हैं, सोलफुली वी आर नॉट एट दैट लेवल, मतलब बोथ आर नॉट, कोई भी है जो जिसके
बोथ
साथ
की
भी
तो बात कर नहीं सकते ना, हमारी क्लास चल रही है, उनकी तो क्लास
हमारी
नहीं है ना, उनकी क्लास
what
नहीं
is
है.
that? It's little me. But I feel that in any which way, when our connection with the higher self is missing, then all this khichdi.
एब्सोल्युटली. मगर वो हायर सेल्फ से मिसिंग क्या है? हायर
Connection.
सेल्फ से, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट टू यू.
Okay.
हमारा सबसे पहले क्या है? हमारी जो पूरी लाइफ है ना, वो बॉडी कॉन्शियसनेस से है. मैं मालविका हूं, ये बॉडी है, उसमें थॉट्स फीलिंग्स इमोशंस हैं. सिर्फ थॉट फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस है तो उसका बैगेज है. बैगेज है तो हर्ट है. हर्ट है तो अपने को रिएक्ट करने की जरूरत पड़ती है.
Okay.
तो जब 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 आप बॉडी कॉन्शियसनेस से सोल कॉन्शियसनेस में आते जाएंगे, तब तब क्या रहेगा? मैं सोल हूं. आई एम द डिवाइन सोल. आई एम द प्योर सोल. आई एम अ पीसफुल सोल. I am a powerful soul. It's not that I'm not speaking, I'm not powerful. You get that? And I'm fearless. You get that? These 5 qualities, they are the innate qualities of the soul. But when I function, the more I function in the body, I just technically know this is a body which has been gifted to me. Yeah? And I have to work with this. यही तो technically पता है ना. बोलते रहते हैं हम, no, there's a soul which maneuvers this vehicle. कितने ज्यादा होते हैं सोल के साथ? जितना ज्यादा आप सोल कॉन्शियसनेस में होंगे, उतना आपको रिएक्शन कम होगा ना. क्यों? क्योंकि जो मैं देखती हूँ अपने में, वो मुझे दूसरे में दिखता है. You get that? Yeah? एंड वो कैसे दिखता है? क्योंकि जब मैं सोल लेवल पे होती हूं तो मैं भी इस बॉडी से दूर हूं. बॉडी से दूर हूं तो एक्शन, रिएक्शन, फीलिंग, थॉट, इमोशन, हर्ट, सबसे बहुत दूर हूं, है ना? तो जब मैं सोल कॉन्शियसनेस से फंक्शन कर पाती हूँ जिन मोमेंट्स में, वो 95 जैसे इरा जी बोली, तो कि अभी 95 कर सकते हैं, तो क्या रहता है कि कुछ भी कोई बोलता रहे, कुछ भी कैसे बिहेव करता रहे, कुछ भी उसको ना इंपॉर्टेंस देते हुए वी गेट टू समथिंग एल्स. ओके, बट the 5% which I could not, what happens is I react. Why do I react? Because I'm finding that there is a person in this body who's behaving that way. And how the hell should I not speak for myself? How the hell? You get that? And I've really experienced, when you become, see, there are 2 ways. I can become quiet, sulking, and I can just become quiet, knowing. There's a lot of difference between that. You get that? Lot of difference. Because I might be quiet, and why am I quiet when I'm sulking? I want to punish the other person. इसको realization हो जानी चाहिए. करनी आती नहीं. Okay? But when I am quiet in the knowing, then I'm quiet with a purpose. The purpose is not to punish him. The purpose is that I know I am the soul, and whatever you do, तुम्हारा कारज तुमको जाने. अपने आप बोल बाल के बंद हो जाएंगे. But I am not sulking. So, but I can only not be sulking when I am in the knowing. And what does knowing mean? Knowing means I'm so present. I'm so present to being a soul. I'm so present to this moment. I'm so present that nothing, absolutely nothing can. Yeah. And you know, people who do not get to the sulking silence, yeah, what are they? Do you know, people cannot behave that way with them. I've experienced that. वो ना घर से राशन पानी लेके आएंगे, बोले मालविका के सामने आएंगे ना, ये बोल. मालविका सामने आई, तुम्हारी चीज पहले ही आउट ऑफ द विंडो. बोले यार बोलने तो आए थे, ऐसा क्या हो गया ना, ऐसा क्या हो गया, बोल ही नहीं पाए. वो जो नोइंग वाली साइलेंस होती है ना, वो लोगों को निहत्था करती है. आपकी सल्किंग साइलेंस कभी निहत्था नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि उसमें काबिलियत ही नहीं है. जो नोइंग साइलेंस है ना, दैट इज अ साइलेंस फ्रॉम पावर. दैट इज द साइलेंस फ्रॉम द पीस. दैट इज द साइलेंस फ्रॉम द प्योरिटी of the soul. That is the silence from the divinity. That is not the silence out of reaction. So everywhere that I have not been able to do that, how can I get to that? By asking and asking. Asking is, how much more can I align to you? How much more can I align to myself? How much more can I align to the present moment that I'm not the effect of? Yeah. And anytime anybody is in anger, it might be me also. We are nothing less than barking dogs. Nothing less. Yeah. And do you actually have to listen to the barking dogs? Do you go out, you know, the 10 dogs who started barking, especially, go out, listen, you know, अच्छा, कौन सा वाला, you know, राग भैरवी चल रहा है कि बसंती, ऐसा तो नहीं कोई देखने जाता है. तो barking dog चुप हो जाएंगे, लड़ के, कहते हैं. That is how, but this is a practice, you know, getting back to silence, and then always asking, what kind of a silence am I executing? Is it the sulking silence? Is it the knowing silence? If it is a knowing silence, that will, I'm telling you, people cannot, they cannot talk to you in that tone. I vouch for it. Yeah, they cannot. Because do you know that knowing silence से लोग डरते हैं, है ना? और वो अच्छा वाला डर होता है, वो, it's not that fear which we keep talking about. Yeah. It is like infiltrating into a territory where they are not supposed to be, and that's a good fear. You get that? So everywhere I have not been coming closer to knowing, I'm in the doing world. Yeah? So the knowing is from the soul, the doing is from the body. I will keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. And then finding myself, you know, यार इतना कर के भी ना पूरी जिंदगी में ना कतरा कतरा इनके ऊपर दे दिया, कुछ नहीं मिला. सारे हम सोचते हैं कभी ना कभी हफ्ते में एक बार तो दिन आ ही जाता है, ऐसा वाला, है ना? तो वो क्यों आ जाता है? क्यों आ जाता है? क्योंकि कतरा कतरा देने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी ना, देने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी, मगर वो दिया क्योंकि उतनी समझ थी ना, उसमें भी कोई, there was no harm to that. क्योंकि जब तक अपने को उस चीज की समझ नहीं आ जाए तब तक वो चीज करते रहेंगे ना, है ना? बोले हर रोज हाई फ्लेम पे सब्जी चढ़ा के नहाने चले जाते हैं, वापस आते सब्जी जली हुई होती है। तो फिर वो 2 4 5 बारी जब तक वो कढ़ाई अच्छी से रगड़े, अच्छे से बुड़ करे, अच्छे से, फिर पता चल जाता है अरे भैया पहली तो बात है हाई फ्लेम पे करके नहाने जाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना, लो पे भी करके जा सकते हैं, नहीं तो आके भी तो उसको ऑन कर सकते हैं ना। तो ऐसा फॉर्मूला कैसे पता चलेगा ना, जब तक 2 4 बारी जलाएंगे नहीं। तो जब तक एक दिल अच्छे से जल नहीं जाए ना, है ना, फिर जब दिल जले का जो इलाज होता है ना वो दिया ही होता है ना। तो अरे यार ये ना जल जल के ना अब कुछ और होना शुरू हो गया है, कुछ और होना शुरू हो गया है। That is why, somewhere in the calls, I don't know how many days back we taken up कि आप इस चीज को रियलाइज करते हैं कि जब आप रिएक्ट नहीं करते तो आपको लोगों को हैंडल करना मुश्किल हो जाता है। लोग आपके आसपास, उनको समझ नहीं आते इसको, कमबख्त को डील कैसे करो, है ना। लड़ लेते तो अच्छा होता है, पोटेंशियल दिखता है अपने में कि हाँ यार अपने पास लड़ाई का बड़ा पोटेंशियल है ना। ऐसे ऐसे हिंदी इंग्लिश में नहीं आती हैं, अपने को पंजाबी वाली भी आती हैं, सारे तरीके के लेवल सारे आते हैं। पर बात ये है कि वो लेवल तक पहुंचने में सुकून नहीं है ना। कितना कितना उसको करेंगे, आप देखेंगे एक दिन बोल लिया ना, अगले 10 दिन टांगे कांपती रहती हैं। बोले यार मुझे लगता है डॉक्टर के पास जाने की जरूरत है, मल्टीविटामिन, मल्टीविटामिन की जरूरत हो गई है अब ना, टांगे ऐसे कांप रही हैं ऐसे, सारा सर्वाइकल हो गई है यार, है ना। तो फिर उसका समझ लग रही है ना कि एक्चुअली मल्टीविटामिन कौन सी जरूरत है। मल्टीविटामिन सिर्फ एक की जरूरत है, एक, दैट इज बीइंग प्रेजेंट। व्हेन आई एम प्रेजेंट, yeah, what do I see in myself? I'm multifaceted. Yeah, and what is the vitamin? Vitamin is the light that is within me. It keeps telling me, just be in the knowing, है ना। तो ऐसा रहता है ना, फिर घर वालों को भी या जिसके साथ भी रहता है कि ऐसे प्यार मोहब्बत रहता ही है, उसको भी समझ आता है कि पंगे के साथ पंगा ले तो क्या होता है, पंगा तो लेते ही नहीं है। पंगे के साथ पंगा लेंगे तो क्या होगा ना, पंगा ही होगा ना। तो इसलिए फिर बोले कि ये अच्छी बात है, वी क्वालिफाइड टू बी दैट पंगा, बिकॉज अपने पास कोई चीज है ही नहीं रिएक्ट करने को। Yeah. And everywhere that we do not choose that, we can definitely keep asking for that. What would it take? And then what would it take for this space of non-reaction to come to me without struggle? Yeah. वो चीज शुरू हुई अपना on. It is an इतना instantaneous on off button रहता है, जैसे थर्मोस्टेट रहता है ना, है ना। थर्मोस्टेट में क्या रहता है, प्रेस पे लिखा कॉटन तो वो कॉटन तक हीट करता है, तो नायलॉन तो नायलॉन तक हीट करता है ना। तो अपने थर्मोस्टेट को इतना पता रहना चाहिए कि यहाँ वाला अब हो गया, अब कौन सा थर्मोस्टेट की जरूरत है, बस। बोले अब क्या, कुछ नहीं। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू one time you do that, 2 times you do that, the 3rd time will never come. The person exactly knows, this is not a space of reaction. Yeah. Or they'll choose something else, whatever it is up to them. या बोल बाल के चुप हो जाएंगे, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि हर एक को वेंट चाहिए ना। देखिए जिसका जो प्रेशर कुकर बना हुआ है और स्टीम बंद हो जाए फिर क्या होता है, सारी किचन में हो जाता है ना खलेरा, ठीक है ना। तो जिसका प्रेशर कुकर जो हम बने हुए हैं, तो उसमें चेक कर लीजिए भाई सीटी वीटी ठीक है ना। एंड एवरीवेयर that we have been becoming a pressure cooker, taking all those pressures, the pressures have been building in, and the pressure of hurt, the pressure of reaction, the pressure of actions that you have taken, the pressure of their families, their like पूरे खानदान के, ऐसे ही रहता है ना। मोहब्बत है तो सारे, हमारे यहाँ कैसे रहता है ना, शादी है तो पूरे खानदान से होती है, पूरे खानदान से नहीं होती है, होती तो है, सबको तो सेट वेट देते हैं, बोले हाँ तुम अब हमारे हो, अब तो अब हम क्वालिफाई करते हैं, तुम कितनी गाली दे सको हम सुन सकें। हाँ, यही तो रहता है, दिस इज द बार्टर दैट वी डू। शुरू में ही दे देते हैं, बोले ये चलो अब तुम्हारे टिकट कट गए, अब कुछ भी करेंगे। सो एवरीवेयर दैट we have been getting mad. Oh, why do people react like that? Or, like I'll tell you, initially I'm saying like 15 years, मुझे लगता था यार वक्त आता है, क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं आता? वक्त आ जाता है, वक्त बीत जाता है, क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं आता? और फिर समझ आए कि क्वेश्चन इसलिए नहीं आता क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के साथ कभी जुड़े ही नहीं। ठीक है, तो उसको कभी मांगा था कि अरे भैया क्वेश्चन, जब मैं एट माय वर्स्ट होती हूँ ना, तो सबसे जो बेस्ट टूल है ना अपनी पॉकेट में, वो निकाल के बाहर खड़े कर देना। उसको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए। मांगा तो वो ऐसे, उससे कभी बात करिए क्वेश्चन से ऐसे, है ना, तो उसको बोलना पड़ता है अरे भैया इतने सारे टूल, इतनी सारी कॉन्शियसनेस, इतने सारे क्लासेस, क्या करना है? अपन ने कौन सी बाहर रेडी लगानी है, हाँ भी ये लो कॉन्शियसनेस बेच रहे हैं बैंगन में, खीरे में, ऐसे तो नहीं करना है कुछ। तो क्या करेंगे उसको यूज करने के लिए तो है, मगर उसको मांगना पड़ता है। Come at the right time when it is absolutely, they say no, when we hit the iron when it is hot. Yeah, so the question will come exactly at that point when the iron is hot. Yeah, it will come at exactly, and you will keep wondering यार ये कहां से आ गया, क्योंकि मांगा था तो आ गया, तो उसको करके देखिएगा, ताकि आपकी any difficult situation, anything that you have practiced in life, and anything which has worked for you, it's a tried and tested tool. It might have happened, it might have worked in a smaller incident, in a lesser intense situation, but it worked. Yeah, and then ऐसे कैसे याद आ जाता है ना कि माँ ने कभी बचपन में पेट दर्द हुआ था तो अजवाइन खिलाई थी, आज दर्द हुआ, ऐसे कैसे याद आ जाता है, अरे यार अजवाइन खा लो ठीक हो जाएगा। That means practice किया होगा ना कभी। Yeah, that is the way the tool is. Ask wherever I go to disconnection. Yeah, Supreme Light, just put me there. Yeah, just put me there in that very time, so that I do not land up in shoes which are pinching, जिसमें nails लगे हों, है ना? तो वो nails लगे रहेंगे तो वो अपने को pinch करेगा और वो घाव देगा ही देगा। So everywhere that I've not been conscious, everywhere that I've not been present, everywhere that I have been working on the physical level, I've not been able to do that. Yeah, but I can do. There's nothing else can't. I can definitely be there and I can definitely choose. And you'll see, since this has come up as a question here, you'll see after this, you probably would never get to that. Yeah, because anything that pinches most, we put it up as a question. Yeah, it is in the moment that you are so engulfed in the pain of that question has come up. Yeah. And everywhere, that is why we say, honoring is when I get to the space of vulnerability and just asking, isn't it? So when I ask, then I receive. Simple. I receive something, I receive change, I receive my own self, I receive my potential. Yeah, I receive everything that is there within me. And everything that stops you, everything that keeps you away from that, are you in this time ready to eliminate? Yeah, asking the tools, just come, just show up. And just one thing is required in that moment. Yeah, it took me years to come to this space of Anybody asking anything, I shall get back to you tomorrow. Even if it's the simplest, there is no tiff in the question, there is no tiff, there is some ask, I'll give time. I'll say, yeah, I'll definitely, I would love to do it, but probably, I'll get back to you tomorrow. इस चीज को सीखने में ना कम वक्त पता नहीं कितने साल लग जाते हैं, आता ही नहीं, जवाब ही नहीं देना आता, ऐसे लगता है सारे ब्रिलियंस आज ही बता देंगे कितनी मैं ब्रिलियंट हूं. नहीं, कौन कौन से मुझे कैसे कैसे, इसको कहते हैं ना, कैसे मुझे चिजल करना आता है दूसरों को, कैसे मुझे उनको, like I can do everything now, of course I can, but where is the hurry? Where is the hurry? So anytime when I'm in hurry to do it, obviously I get to a space of reaction. Yeah, because I am not the aura. I am not that aura. I squeeze my aura to the minuscule, it comes to the center. That is why any of the energy practices that we do, we always go center outwards. You get that? Why? Because, we require expanded auras. Yeah, so that I am the expanded self. And I'm not just limited to this body, because I'm not this body. So each time I'm not functioning out of body, I'm functioning from the expanse of me. Yeah, I'm functioning from the infiniteness of me. And then what do I get? There's a no reactive space. There's a no reaction space. I don't even have to escape people. I don't. It's not a requirement anymore. Yeah. So everywhere that we do not allow our auras to be as big, as strong, as illuminated, so that we never get to the space of reaction. And whatever is required would be crisp and terse and khatam. That's it. Yeah. It'll not be like I'm on and on and on. Yeah. And people will trap you. People will trap you because उनको लगता है ये वाला अब ये बिल्कुल ठीक, अब देखो रिमोट बिल्कुल ठीक, एनडीटीवी से कुछ और सोनी, अब देखो इतने सारे चैनल आपके लगा देंगे, आपको समझ कौन सा देख रहे हैं, देख कौन सा रहे हैं. आपने देखा एक ऊपर चैनल चलता है लोगों के घर में, एक नीचे भी चलता है ना. तो इतने सारे चैनल एक ही टीवी पे लग रखे हैं, कुछ सुन रहा है ना, पड़ोसी सुन रहे हैं, हमारे यहाँ टीवी चल रहा है. Yeah. So everywhere that you're not channeled only to the right space. कितने सारे चैनल्स इकट्ठे काम करेंगे भैया.
I have experienced that being with nature and silence is easier. Working in that space and consciousness is so much easier than working with human beings.
Why is it easier?
Because they are not reactive.
No,
they are not reactive.
It's not that. They are all knowing. They are judgment free. Isn't it? They are working from the soul consciousness. पेड़ को बोलो चींटी जैसे चलता है. हम तो किसी जैसे भी चल सकते हैं. नहीं, घोड़ा, कबूतर, किसी जैसे चल सकते हैं हम. बोलिए, इतने काबिल हैं. वो कभी भी, the tree will never leave his tree nets. I can leave myself for any bloody body यार, है ना. उसके जैसा लगा, अच्छा रुचि जैसे हो जाए, चलो रुचि जैसे बोलना शुरू कर दिया. बोले तुम कहाँ बीच में, कहीं नहीं, वैसे जैसे वो बोलती है ना, ऐसे धीरे धीरे लटक के, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. You get that? I don't mean Ruchi this one, there can be so many other Ruchis, yeah. So the thing is that each time I try and be somebody else, I'm not me. And each time when I'm not me, then I am not in my body, in my being. And what is the being? The being is the soul, the innate, the core that I am, that is lying within myself. Yeah, and that is authentic and original and a non-judgmental space. Isn't it? Obviously, human beings are tough to be with. Why are they here? क्योंकि अपना कुछ है ना, कुछ प्लस माइनस पिछले जन्म में आइसक्रीम कम खिलाई होगी ना उसको, अभी आ गया है ना. अभी पूछ लो सबको, भैया सब मुरब्बे आइसक्रीम सब खिला चुके ना, ठीक है, सभी कुछ. नहीं तो ऐसा अगले जन्म में अपना फिर मुरब्बा ही बनना है. हाँ, तो मुरब्बा भी या किसी चीज का भी हो सकता है ना, आंवले का, एप्पल का, किसी चीज का भी. तो देखिए आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं. So let's get done with it. And how do we get done? That is by always coming to the knowing, I am the soul. Why do we get back to this on each call? Because that is what is authentic. That is our purpose. If I have a meaningless life, how interesting is that? Yeah? Because the core purpose of our coming to the planet in these physical bodies is to get back to light. That is it. क्योंकि हम डार्क हो गए ना, रुचि ने जैसे बोला था, मुझे नहीं पता लाइट क्या है. बहुत अच्छे, थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग. अपन इतने डार्क हो चुके हैं ना, है ना. तो ऐसा कोई सर्फ नहीं बना है जिसको धो के सफेद हो जाए, है ना. अपने आप को ही धोना पड़ता है, अपनी बुद्धि को, अपनी लिमिटेशंस को धोना पड़ता है ना. जो इतना कुछ सीखा उसको अनलर्निंग इज धोना, है ना. पहले वो सीखा, वो सीख के जो चीज सच माने उससे अपन डार्क होते गए. या तो जितनी वो एनर्जीज ग्रेव होती गई, उतनी जो हम ब्रिलियंट जैसे यहाँ लैंड किए थे वैसे नहीं रहे. तो हो गया ना लाइट से अंधकार, है ना. आज अपनी have you seen a clock? All of us have. Yeah. So our lives are like a clock. Yeah. So when we are born, it is just like the smaller hand coming on the bigger hand. Yeah, and it strikes 12. Okay. Now we start learning. We start learning. We come to 3. है ना. थोड़ी सी डार्कनेस आई, फिर 3 से जब तक 6 में आए ना, तब तक था मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस. तब तक क्या था, डार्केस्ट हो चुके. अब क्या है, अब अगेन कमिंग बैक टूवर्ड्स 12, है ना. धीरे धीरे कमिंग बैक टूवर्ड्स दैट. क्योंकि ये तो ऐसा पर्पस है, अपने को पता हो या ना, ये तो आना ही है, क्योंकि पर्पस ही है. अब उसको पता लगने में अपने को 5 साल लगे या 50, इट्स इममटेरियल, है ना. 5 जन्म लगे कि 500, दैट्स आल्सो इममटेरियल. या मगर वो पता लगना पड़ेगा ही. या सो द मोर ओपन वी आर, the easier it is, the journey back home. Journey back home, journey back to light, back to the Supreme, because that Supreme is like the most brilliant light of ball. Yeah, a ball of beautiful light, and that light, which is so non-judgmental, and which is always having a big smiley on the face, whatever we choose. It has a big, we keep making smileys at home and having a good time, eating them with the ketchup, yeah. So, it is just having a biggest possible smiley on his face, watching us. What are we doing? How are we doing? Where are we getting to? And how closer are we to the purpose? And everywhere we do not get that, he makes us, a little, थोड़ा सा ना ऐसे कान को ऐसे जरा सा हिला, थोड़ा सा जाते ऐसे थोड़ी सी चप्पल, है ना. आजकल मारना मना है स्कूल में, तो बोले थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर देते हैं, पर थोड़ा नहीं समझे तो फिर थोड़ा सा ज्यादा भी ऐसे ना. Yeah. So the earlier I get, the easier it is. And the later I get, and why do I get later? Because I have a very big head in between him and me. Yeah. So that head does not allow me. It keeps, it keeps telling me time and again, when are you going to use me? When? Each time I use, I create a puddle. Yeah. Then you start fearing using the head. यार ये कब तक यूज करते रहेंगे यार, है ना? इसको थोड़ी सी वेकेशन टाइम नहीं है ये, अभी ये कोरोना इसीलिए हुआ, थोड़ा हेड वेकेशन टाइम एक्चुअली. या HVC उसको कहते हैं, हेड वेकेशन टाइम. या सो जब वो टाइम आता रहता है और जब हम उसको देखते रहते हैं, तो वो वेकेशन में ना थोड़ा सा वेकेट हो जाता है, खाली हो जाता है ना, थोड़ा सा खाली. तो उस खालीपन, वो खाली नहीं है, इट इज नॉट खाली. या सिर्फ ख्याली नहीं है ना, खाली नहीं है और ख्याली भी नहीं है. या तो क्योंकि ख्याल में बहुत सारे पुलाव बनाते रहते हैं, उसमें कभी मटर डालते हैं, कभी चिकन, बहुत कुछ डालते रहते हैं. तो थोड़ी देर उसको जब छुट्टी मिलती है तो ऐसे लगता है जिंदगी थोड़ी सी सुकून में हो गई है, फिर गेटिंग बैक टू हेड. या so everywhere that we've not been able to do that is that we get into the trap, into the reaction, into like fixing ourselves into the remote control of people. And once we start coming back to the ask, what can I be here? How can I be in the knowing? And how can I be in the supreme, super splendid silence that is lying within me, which is going to exactly tell me what do I do to create the best in this situation. Everything that does not allow you. Are you today in this time ready to eliminate that? Yeah. So could I help you join the dots?
Yep.
Yeah. Was that a little better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing.
It always.
That's okay.
चलते जाना है, छोड़नी नहीं है.
I know, absolutely. That is so nice. It is so nice to see commitment. It is so amazing to even watch the commitment, because when you are committed, it is already coming to you. Just let's give ourselves chance to come to that layer where we will start aligning with it. Because I cannot see and count the layers of darkness over me. I cannot. Nobody can. All the realized souls also could not. We are not realized, but we are in the realization. Yeah. So let's give us time to get that away. अगर एक बारी थ्योरम नहीं आती तो क्या उसको छोड़ देते हैं कि नहीं यार अब तो आएगी ही नहीं करते ना ऐसे. एक बारी नहीं आया तो या सो वी विल डू इट. हो सकता है फिर भी वो थ्योरम गलत सॉल्व करें, फिर भी वो गलत सॉल्व करें, मगर फिर ये है कि फिर भी सॉल्व करनी है. यही तो रहती है ना कमिटमेंट. या एंड if I just do it, leave it, तो क्या रहता है, क्या बिलीफ बनेगा, मैं नहीं कर सकती, यही तो आएगा ना बार बार, क्योंकि कभी कर ही नहीं पाए, वहां तक पहुंचने की कभी हिम्मत ही नहीं करी कि मैं कहीं पहुंच सकती हूँ, है ना. तो फिर करते रहेंगे ना, फिर क्या हुआ, फिर क्या होगा, फिर वो थ्योरम आ जाएगी, फिर टीचर ने ना उसको थ्योरम को कहीं थोड़ा इधर उधर कर दिया, थोड़ा स्मार्ट प्ले करने के लिए कि अब ये थ्योरम से प्ले कर सकेंगे कि नहीं, तो फिर वो थ्योरम नहीं आई. फिर अगली बार क्या हुआ कि उस थ्योरम से खेलना आ गया, है ना. उस थ्योरम से खेलना आ गया कि हाँ यार ये ऐसे भी, अब ये ऐसे भी, कान कैसे कैसे पकड़ सकते हैं ना, कभी पकड़ के देखे हैं, है ना. सो वैसे ही थ्योरम को भी पकड़ लेंगे, है ना, वैसे ही सिचुएशन को भी पकड़ लेंगे, isn't it? और फिर सिचुएशन को पकड़ना क्यों है यार, छोड़ेंगे, है ना, अपने को पकड़ेंगे, सिचुएशन को छोड़ेंगे, अपने को सिचुएशन को छोड़ेंगे, isn't it? And everywhere that we've not been able to fall and rise in love with ourselves, rising in love, isn't it? I am my priority. Yeah. Each time you get in front of the mirror, I am my own priority. I am the prettiest. Yeah. I am that brilliant ball of energy that has been created over time. Anna. God has taken a good amount of time for us to be here. ऐसे ही नहीं कहीं छक्के तुक्के में ऐसे हम आ गए. तो बहुत वक्त लगाया है आपने का.
I give example to myself that
Yeah.
it took you, Ira, it took you so many years to master letter A. When
Absolutely.
I was learning, in
The
my
cursive.
so it took you, and now you can close your eyes and you can write A.
Yeah.
You in the dark you can write A. You can do whatever you want to do. So
Yeah.
see the practice and the commitment, and that you started, you learned. So it is like, yes, it's the thought that makes me emotional is that it's not that somebody's hurting you. It's it's that I failed my God. I failed again. I failed. I know that
Sweetheart,
I knew the answer, but I didn't do it.
no,
I'm so
but
sorry.
it's not failure. It's not a failure, and you never have to be sorry to God. You never have to be. It's not a failure. That is how I'm winning.
God. I said, I again, why did I, again, this thing came, and you have to make it right, again, why should I go to that when I know it, when I do it, when I practice it again 5 times, why even one time happen that way, it should be perfect, because
But
I love to be in that space. I love to be at peace. I love enjoying every minute of it, every fraction of it. So
that's absolutely.
it's not what others are saying. That doesn't bother me that much. But the other part, it gives me, I knew it, and God, why did I miss that point? Why the target? I missed that target. That the thing that I had to,
But the thing is that, we can always keep accounting our failures. But is that a failure? Truth. Yeah. Had this been a failure, you would have not come 95 up. You would have been 1 on 1. You get that? Yeah. This is not failing you at all. This is getting guidance to win those 5. Get that? It's just getting in attunement to win those 5 which are yet left. That's it.
Yeah.
And there is nothing wrong about it. How would I know where am I? Yeah, the test of time tells me where am I. The test of the situation tells me, do I again get enmeshed or am I detached? You get that? And the more I'm detached, the lesser the effect. Simple. Yeah, so yes, there are 5. Thank you so much. There's another way of the whole thing. It's not that I ever fail God. No. Yeah. I can only fail myself, but I can never fail God. Firstly. And then, thank you so much for guiding me. The 5 are left. I shall work here. I worked 95. I'm acknowledging that. Yeah, that's so important for me to acknowledge. I'm not there where I was 20 years back. No, I'm not there. Even 5 years back, I was different. Even 5 days back, I was different. Today, I'm different. Thank you so much. You led the path. Yeah.
इरा, मुझे ये लगता है कि दूसरों को तो छोड़ ही दो पहले तो, कि वो उन्होंने हर्ट किया कि नहीं. सबसे ज्यादा तो हम अपने आप को कितनी डिग्री पे वो करते हैं टॉर्चर, वो हम खुद ही जानते हैं. सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन इज देयर कि हम हर चीज में अपने आप को, वही मतलब मुझे मालविका की बात बड़ी सही लगी कि एक पॉइंट पे अपने आप को एप्रिशिएट तो करो. अच्छा आज ये किया, अच्छा आज ये किया, अच्छा आज ये किया. हम करते ही नहीं है अपने आप को एप्रिशिएट, और वेट करते हैं दूसरे तारीफ कर लें. या दूसरे हर्ट कर ले, तो मुझे लगता है दूसरों
अप्रिशिएट भी इसलिए नहीं कर पाते ना क्योंकि वो उसमें कोई जलजला नहीं दिखता, ऐसे नहीं लगता कि ये अचीव किया है। यू गेट दैट? आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं 20 साल पहले वाली इरा अब हो, डू यू थिंक is that a possibility? And would she ever be like to be that? Never. I know it. Never. You've learned through all of that. You've become so beautiful and bright and brilliant. Yeah. You are like more in light. Yeah. Why would you get back to 20 years back, भाई? इतना कुछ सीख के तो लाइट से ज्यादा, लाइट के पास ज्यादा आए, ऐसे ही तो नहीं आ गए। ये कोई प्रॉक्सी तो नहीं चल रही यहाँ पे लेक्चर की, लाइफ में प्रॉक्सी नहीं चलती ना, हमारा प्रेजेंट होना चलता है। तो आई हैव टू अप्रिशिएट and I have to appreciate my today also. Yes, I am moved, I am hurt. Amazing. Now what next? Do I have to remain in the hurt? No. What do I have to do? Just get out. Simple. No escape. I shall face it. I shall face it. What do I have to face? Not people. I have to face me. And this is not a failure. I have to face light. Why? Because I am light. I am getting to light. And that is what I will not compromise not to be. I will and will be. Why? Because मैं जिसका offspring हूँ वही बन सकती हूँ ना? Isn't it? It's not a possibility that dogs give birth to kittens. No.
Thank God.
Isn't it? Thank God. Yeah. And we started the call. Some of you were not there. Monica was there, and she was saying, "Ira and Malvika, you resemble each other so well." So I was saying, this tells बिल्कुल खालस production है अपने माँ बाप की, unadulterated. Yeah. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Amazing, guys. So thank you so much for the question. And anything related to this?
I'd like to share something. I'd just like to share something, Malvika. And I'd definitely like to credit you also for that. Where did it go? Yeah.
Thank you.
10, 12 days back, there was a long weekend when I was not, for 2-3 consecutive days, I was not on the call. And I told you I was not in that space. And you told me on that call, what long weekends are meant for. I said, no, you told me they're for short circuiting. Point noted. And this time again, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days were there. And, I told it to my daughter's husband, everything. I learned something very different on my call, that long weekends are for short circuiting. I just tend to share what I go through on this. And I was in a habit of going silent and sulky. It was a very prominent trait, I would say, silent and sulky. And this time I definitely attempted to go silent and knowing.
Amazing.
And I didn't react. I'm not, whatever. I definitely made a point, no sulking. You just have to be silent. You don't have to sulk. And 2 days, just 2.5, 3 days, they just flew off like anything. I mean, I was happy. Thank you so much.
So thank God the circuit was long only, yeah? There was no short circuit.
Thank you so much for, that short circuit. It really stayed in my mind. Weekends are for short circuit. So please take care.
So good. Whenever we can implement anything small or big, it's so nice that you feel that is the achievement.
I just felt like sharing it with all of you here. Listen, when we make an effort from our side, things do work.
Things do work. They fall in place because that is what they have to. Yeah. If we don't give them a choice, na pange se panga liya, huh? Isn't it?
Thank you.
Most welcome. Let's come to our little meditation that we'll do. So let's get back to the most a valuable time. The most valuable time, I call it, because it is a time to get back to connection. And when I connect to these moments start melting into me. And when these moments start melting into you and me, the memories of hurt go away. Melting into the self. Melting into the authentic. Melting into a gorging space where I can see myself. How much have I risen over time? And when I say risen over time means how much have you risen in love with your own self? The more we rise in love with self, the lesser the hurt that we get to experience. You stop hearing everything that is unwanted, everything that is repetitive, that turns you down. This is what hurt means. H-U-R-T. And the more you get to light, it is like you developing deaf ears to the unwanted. You stop hearing all of that. It is just like you're switching on a button of love where the rest, everything unwanted just fades away. It just becomes a background music which is just not significant in your life. How present can we be to this moment and light? Is actually the magic wand. The light is the brilliant that we are. And that brilliance of light, which does not even have a speck of darkness. And when we talk of the speck of darkness, that darkness comprises of the limitations, the fear, the anger, the anxiety, the contempt, that we have picked up over time. However, there's something inside that is all knowing, and it'll keep reminding you, you are light. You are light. What is that? It is so magical that the scientists have done studies and have spent years and years and decades over finding the command center in our body. What is commanding our bodies? And they have come to know of that command center, but they do not know who is commanding. They've not been able to find that. Who commands when we open up our eyes, when we get to blinking? Who commands when we pick up our finger? Who commands when we take a step forward or backward? And the best part is, science has not been able to find that out in the years past. But that commander is God, is light, the force behind that makes us function. That is the power greater than us. We have developed so much and we have become smart, but we could not become as smart as God is. And that is why He is called the Commander, the one whom we follow. As all of us desire to step out of darkness and just be with light. And walk towards light. As that is the purpose of our lives. And in this life we have many characters that come to us in the form of different relationships. Some far, some near. And they are here so that they can create a trap around us. And that trap is so beautiful. Because that trap will keep you out of purpose. The purpose is to go to light. And that trap will always keep you out of this purpose so that you start prioritizing something else and not go to the light. And this is where clarity, commitment, and being present comes. If we are present in that situation, we will always choose stepping towards the purpose. Still, whatever odd even that we are facing. And otherwise, we will fall in that beautiful trap that they have created. And that trap sometimes is like covered with the word love. Where people will say they love you, and in that love, they keep hurting. And you too will somewhere feel guilty and somewhere feel trapped. And sometimes you fall prey to this trap of love. And if there is clarity that it might be love, but is it conditional or unconditional? And you will get to a space that this love that they are talking about and is entrapping you is conditional love. Anything which is real and permanent and unchangeable is unconditional. And anything that shifts 1,000,000 times a day that is conditional. So we have to be so present to know, where are we? What are we doing this for? And what is making us get into this trap? The closer you are to the real, the closer you are to the authentic, the closer you are to light, the lesser conditions you get to see. You get to feel. And you get to experience a no-trap space that is unconditional. The conditional will always try and do everything possible to condition you to whatever they are creating as the trap. And we, over time, that is how we start behaving. That is how we start responding. That is how we start reacting. However, our guiding forces are always inside us. They will always keep telling us and guiding us and showing us the path. If our motives are clear, we always get to that space very fast, at the speed of space. And that space is of oneness. And that space is melodious. And that space is also all light. That space is a space of detachment. How is it that the beautiful oceans, the beautiful seas, we see the lovely, the dancing waves, and how beautiful they come up with that beautiful white froth along with them as we view them coming towards us. And actually, they are coming beautifully towards the shore. That shore which is having some beautiful white sand. And they're dancing. The waves are dancing, elated. They coming to the shore. And how is it that they beautifully come and touch the shore without attaching to the sand? They get back. And all of us know what do they get along. They get beautiful shells for us. And everything that the ocean or the sea holds, the pure breeze, the dancing swans, the sea life. How easy it is for these waves to just detach and get away. And they are elated, still getting back. For they know they can come anytime again, and as many number of times as they desire to. That is the way we just require to be in life. Dancing, elated, getting our beauties, full of unconditional love, coming to the shore, and just getting back, receding whenever required. Just saying a goodbye to that moment, that unpleasantness, that hurt. And even when we recede, we have all the love, all the unconditional love, because there are no conditions to that. For in those moments when we are receding, we become an unattached observer of the other. How often are we going to practice this? The more we practice, the more we possess these pearls of consciousness in every passing moment. And these are precious pearls of consciousness. Just receding back, not to the cocoon, just to the beautiful self and the brilliance. For this is out of knowing. It is not out of sulking, just receding. The more we practice, the more easy it becomes. And we have come a long way. And today, as we observe our life, the thorns on the way have become less now. We were able to uproot so many uncountable thorns that kept coming, but we kept uprooting them with the choices that we were making. That's commendable. That indeed is commendable. The conscious choices kept us conscious. They kept us in the moment, and we could do it. We could make it to this beautiful space where we are standing today. Where there is nothing stuck and we are just moving forward with ease, with happiness, and with all the possible elated energies that we are moving back to light. As light is our home and home is sweet home. So gargle in these beautiful, daunting, dancing energies. Just viewing yourself. Just viewing how much up the ladder you have made it till date. And actually, if you try to count the steps that you took to be here, wherever you are on the ladder, you will surprise yourself. They are uncountable. Uncountable steps that you took to be here today. Let's recognize and appreciate these uncountable steps more and more. And the more we get to appreciation, the more the momentum that we create to go ahead. Going ahead to light. Just like a child looking forward to meeting the mother and embracing her unconditionally. So are we waiting to be that light completely, holistically, choosing one step at a time. Choosing one step at a time. Let us get back to our bodies. Getting back to our relaxed bodies is so beautiful. where everything that was trapping us, taxing us, we have released already. We have become the space of enigmatic presence in our own self. And we are melting in this moment. And whenever you feel like, please open your eyes. It's nice to get back. So have a lot of fun with these energies. Yeah, let's be the smiley. Let's be a smiley for our own self today. Yeah.
Malvika, you'll be putting this call also on YouTube?
Yeah.
Thank you.
One thing I want to share. So earlier, after each meditation, I used to find myself glowing. Today, after meditation, I am finding you glowing and everybody else on the screen glowing. So I'm seeing everything else looking so bright. Thank you.
Have a good time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Malvika, for beautifully explaining it and putting lights on this topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Love you guys and see you tomorrow. We'll take up the next question tomorrow. Yeah.